What's up, everyone? This is EchoLynx, and here's a quick overview of TryHackMe's Web Fundamentals, your fast track into web application security. This path teaches you how the web works, then shows you how to break and defend it, using the same tools and workflows security pros use. It's split into 4 sections. Section 1. How the web works. You'll demystify DNS, HTTP, and how websites are assembled. Rooms like DNS in detail, HTTP in detail, how websites work, and putting it all together, train you to trace a request from your browser to the server and back, so every later exploit actually makes sense. Section 2. Introduction to web hacking. Map targets by walking an application and doing content discovery and subdomain enumeration. Then hit core vulnerabilities hands-on. Authentication bypass, IDOR, file inclusion, SSRF, cross-site scripting, race conditions, command injection, and SQL injection. You'll learn root causes where they show up in the real world and how to safely exploit them. Section 3. Burp Suite. Get fluent with the industry standard proxy. Start with the basics, then master repeater for precise request crafting, Intruder for targeted automation, plus other modules and extensions that speed up recon and exploitation. Section 4. Web Hacking Fundamentals. Consolidate everything with focused rooms. Revisit how websites and HTTP work, study the OWASP Top 10, Web and API, tackle OWASP Juice Shop, explore upload vulnerabilities, and finish with the Pickle challenge to tie your workflow together. By the end, you'll understand web app internals, wield industry tooling, clearly explain and exploit common vulns, and transfer those skills into interviews or real assessments. Complete the path to earn a certificate and a portfolio of hands-on labs. Open How the Web Works, start today, and keep shipping one room at a time. Let's go.